Normally, we know that a keyword is a search query or term. It is a word or phrase that someone types in a search engine to find information about that term. If we talk from the perspective of SEO, then the meaning of keyword is a little bit different. When we do SEO for any website or for any SEO practice, keywords are basically those words for which we want our web page to rank. For example, if you have a blog related to digital marketing or any web page, you will want that whenever a person types any keyword related to that blog or digital marketing, like what is digital marketing or digital marketing in 2025, he should see my website on the top rank. We have learned different types of keywords in our previous videos. Now today is time to do a practical work. Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we will learn how to do keyword research on Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a Google's own tool. It's a free tool and it's an authentic tool for keyword research. So let's get into it to know how to do keyword research through Google Keyword Planner. First of all, just go to Google. Type Google Keyword Planner. First website, Google Ads. If you haven't signed up, you can sign up from here. Then go to Keyword Planner. Alright, this interface will open for you. If you will face any different interface, just go to your tools on your left sidebar and then go to Keyword Planner. Then this interface will be open for you. Just discover new keywords. You can change your location from here. Just click on it. You can cancel your country here. Then you will get the data from all over the world, like this, from all locations. You can put your keywords from this bar. Enter products or services closely related to your business. For example, my keyword is smartwatches for women. You can separate your keywords just by hitting the enter. Next, my keyword will be smartwatches for women in 2025. You can add up to 10 keywords at a time here. My next keyword will be smart ladies watches. Alright. You can get results just by hitting enter, or you can get results by just clicking on get results. Click on it, get results. Now we will face this interface. These are our keywords. Now I have 1536 keyword ideas available for me. I can download the file, this keyword research file from here. If I download this file as CSV file, this file will be an offline file for me, and if I download Google Sheets, this will be an online sheet for me. I will download as CSV file, which will be an offline file for me and in the form of as an Excel file. Okay, download it. I will go to my downloads. Just go to your downloads, click on it, open with Excel. Alright, this is the interface. This you can see this is a refined and better interface to understand and to refine your keywords. You can select here as you want. First of all, I will filter the keywords. I will filter them out. Just click on filters on the right hand, sort and filter. Click on filter. I will filter average monthly searches. I will just keep up to 500, 5000, 500, 5000 and 50,000, and you can just keep average monthly searches too as you want. I will click on filter too to just remove the filter bar. Alright, average monthly searches are very important for us. As monthly searches are high, then our website traffic will be automatically high. 3 months change refers that the selected keyword will be remain the same or go high or low. If the volume is 0%, then the keyword will remain in upcoming 3 months. If the volume is minus 90%, then the keyword will decrease in upcoming 3 months. And if the percentage is plus 90% or plus 900% like this, then your keyword will be go high in upcoming 3 months. Y to Y change refers year to year change. Year to year change is the same as 3 months change, like 0% remain the keyword same, plus 900% the keyword will go high. If the percentage is minus 90%, the keyword will go in the upcoming 1 year, just 1 year. Then the bar we have is competition. Competition is very important for us. I will define them all the terms like high, low and medium keywords in in this video. Just stick with me and watch till the end. Next bar we have is a competition indexed value. For example, for some tools like Ubersuggest and SEMrush use figures like 1 to 100 rather than the terms like high, low and medium. They use figures 1 to 100, or like you can say counting, rather than high, low and medium term. Okay, now we have low and medium and high keywords. Competition refers the time to period which is required to rank a website, like 3 or 6 months. We have low, medium and high, three types of competition. First is low competition keyword. In low competition keyword, we have low competitive sites. Their authority and value in Google is low and weak, so your chances of ranking are very high. This period normally requires 3 months to rank on Google. Medium keywords, you have almost equal competitive sites in each, and it requires 6 to 7 months to rank on Google. High competition keywords are near to impossible to rank, but slowly and gradually they also rank. High competition keywords require almost 1 year or 12 months to rank. Competition indexed value. If the value or is between 0 to 35%, then or 35 figure, then it means this is a low competition keyword. If the figure is between 36 to 70, then it is a medium competition keyword. And if the number is between 71 to 100, then it will be a high competition keyword. So viewers, choose your keywords wisely. Low volume, high monthly searches and low keyword difficulty will always work for you. Always remember these steps to choose keywords for your website. This is a very crucial part for your website's ranking. So this is the way to use Google Keyword Planner for keyword research. I hope so you understand all the steps. If you learned something, then keep supporting me like this way.